Okay, so I've rolled out the dough and I've coated it with nice butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Now we have to fold it over and I have to cut it. Okay, so I folded it over and cut it. I've already started cutting it in case you're wondering why it looks like this funny triangle shape. But fold it over in half and then you cut it in strips about 1 inch wide. Okay, mashallah, we are going to put these in the oven now. We have a tray and then I have another tray. They look pretty well. I let them rise kind of a little bit after I rolled them and twisted them like it said. I don't think they're gonna get much bigger. I don't want them to dry out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven. Alrighty, mashallah, they turned out really well. Alhamdulillah. Here's more. That one kind of came undone a little bit as it cooked. We have these ones. Wow. Then we have some in here. Very pleased. Mashallah, very pleased. I'll put this recipe in the description box, inshallah. Let these cool down and then we're gonna glaze them. Okay, the frosting came out nice, the glaze. This is an Amish recipe, so the glaze is vanilla as well. And it smells absolutely wonderful. Check out these ones. Alright, these will go good for coffee time tomorrow. Nice and fresh. I'll put the recipe in the description box for you.